Hi from the farm. We're going to have some very hot weather starting today. It's going to be above 90. And in a couple of days it's supposed to be 102. I've brought a bucket out with some water and I've put a fountain pump in it, and I'm going to plug it in and see what the girls do. It ought to be hilarious. Okay, it's flashing. I don't know if they're going to get near it now or not. They should. They're curious about everything. Here they come. Julie's going to be the first one to try it. She usually is. She's a smart little cookie. Well, maybe they aren't going to mess with it yet. We'll give them a few minutes. They're going to play in the mud hole outside the bucket. That's okay. That's as long as they're playing in the water, I don't care. It's going to be very hot. This will be good for them. It'll keep them busy. Good morning from the farm. The experiment with the fountain water didn't work. The girls were afraid of it and I gave up. They like water, but they don't want it to be around and splashing on them. I have to get a smaller pump motor, which I'm working on.